In this video, I will show you how to enable HDR on your Sony Bravia TV. Now, over here I have the Sony Bravia Google TV, but it doesn't really matter the type of Sony Bravia TV you have. Following similar steps, you should be able to enable the HDR feature on any Sony Bravia TV you have, whether it's the Sony Bravia Android TV or the old Sony Bravia TV. Now, first things first, in case you do not know, HDR actually stands for high dynamic range, and this feature actually helps you to get the best picture quality when watching content or playing games on your TV, or just for any HDMI device that is connected to your Sony TV. Now, to turn on this feature, first things first, you want to head over to the particular input source where your gaming device or your streaming device is actually connected to on your Sony Bravia TV. So head over to the input source option. You can literally see the input source option over here, or you can just go ahead and press on the input source button on your Sony Bravia TV remote control. Then go over to the particular input source where your device is connected to. In my case, I have my PlayStation 5 actually connected to HDMI 3 over here. I'll just go ahead and select it. You can literally see my gaming device over here. Now, what you just want to do is to go ahead and press on the settings button or the options or menu button on your remote control to bring up this little menu on the TV. Now, from here, go ahead and press on settings, then select the channels and inputs option over here, then scroll down once again until you get to external input. Now, finally, you want to come over to the HDMI signal format, and then from this page you can now see that for every HDMI input on your Sony Bravia TV, you can actually set two formats. One is the standard, as you can see at the top over here, and then the other is the enhanced format. Now, the enhanced format is actually the 4K HDR on your Sony Bravia TV. So if you have your gaming device connected to any of the HDMI input source on your Sony Bravia TV, what you just want to do is to head over to that particular input source and then go ahead and set it to enhanced format. Now, this actually enables the 4K HDR feature on your Sony Bravia TV. As you can see, it actually displays images from 4K supported devices with priority on image quality. So you want to go ahead and do this for the input source where your gaming device or streaming device is connected to on your Sony Bravia TV to enable the HDR feature of the TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.